Good morning, students. We go to see next topic, chapter non-chordates, phylum Annelida, segmented worm. Do you know the word Annelida is derived from annulus, Latin word little ring, which means body is segmented. Their body surface is distinctly marked out into segments or metameris. Latin annulus, little ring. Hence the phylum name Annelida. Annelida metamerism. General characters: habit and habitat. Mostly parasitic. Aquatic can be aquatic, marine and freshwater, or terrestrial or free living. Annelids were the first segmented body to evolve. Symmetry. Bilateral symmetrical. The organism is cut through central axis. We get to identical house. This multicellular worms. Next, germ layers. Trypoplast. Body made up of 3 layers of cells: ectodome, endodome, mesodome. Ecto means outer layer, endo inner layer, mesodome middle layer. This coelom, they have true internal body cavity. They are coelomates. Body cavity coelom with coelomic fluid creates the hydrostatic skeleton. Hydrostatic skeleton means present in simple invertebrates organism. Hydro means water. Being hydrostatic means that is the skeleton or organ is fluid filled. Organ system level of organization. Segmented body from head to tail. Segmented body, head to tail. From hence segmented worms. Earthworm example. The body is divided from small segments. Move from one place to another. Examples: Nereis, leech, earthworm. Segmented worms. Body externally divided into segmented called metameris, joined by ring-like structure called annuli. The division of the body of an organism, example earthworm, into a series of similar along the length of the body. These units are known as segmented or metameris. Organ system. The different organ system is Annelida. It has organ system level of organization. Different organ system present in Annelida. This locomotory organ. Body wall which has longitudinal and circular muscles. Chitinous, setae, earthworm, suckers in leech, Paraphodia, Nereis. Nereis. Aquatic annelids like Nereis possesses lateral appendages that is called Paraphodia for swimming. Next, digestive system. They have complete digestive tract, that is there are 2 opening, mouth to anus. They have other parts which consist all digestive system. This pharynx, esophagus, stomach, intestine, anus. Pharynx which play roles in breathing and digestion. Whereas the nasal and oral cavity superior to the esophagus, inferior for digestion, and to the larynx, anterior for respiration. Esophagus is food pipe. It carries to the food-bearing stomach. stomach. Food is broken down similar form. Intestine. The digested food is absorbed, taken place by absorption process. Anus. That is undigested food particles throughout the body through anus. They have all the organs together form completed digestive system. Respiratory. Annulid respiratory pigment or hemoglobin or chloroquine. Either hemoglobin, most common pigment, is present in most free moving worms. Next, excretory system. They have one pair of nephridia in each segment. What are nephridia? Nephridia are special tube-like structure which remove the excretory waste from throat to the outside. So these are two tube-like structure. Next, circulatory system. Closed circulatory system. The blood stays within the blood vessels. In this way, blood is kept separate from the body tissues. This system has a heart that pumps blood through a continuous circulation pattern. Consists of heart and blood vessels. Were also present functions of blood vessels was to carry blood to and from the heart. So it carried blood from heart, different parts of the body, and also from different of the body to heart. So different of the body includes skin, muscles, intestine, etc. Next, nervous system. So as always, the nerve system will developing complex organ. They have segmented body. Each segmented has a ganglia and controlled muscles of that segment. So if you look at the nerve system somewhat like this, these are ganglia. This is brain. This nose consists of pair of ganglia connected by lateral nose to double ventral nerve cord. The nerve cord extends through all segments. Specialized sensory organ receptors present. Touch, light, chemicals receptor present along the body surface of the body. Next, reproduction. Sexual mode of reproduction common. Some are dioecious while others are monoecious. What do you mean by dioecious? Sexes are separate. The distinct male and distinct female sex. That organism. Dio means two, and monoecious means that is no separate sexes. Now some of the annelids dioecious and some other monoecious. Example of dioecious would be Nereis. Example of monoecious would be earthworm. Development in direct or indirect includes a trochophore larva. This trochophore larva is a small free swimming larva, characteristic of marine annelids and most group of mollusks. Example, Hirdineria leech, Nereis sandworm, Lambito morti earthworm. Earthworm, Nereis leech. Thank you, students.